Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird Bead Kingdom is here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make glass markers for your Christmas party. The link to the materials I am using can be found in the description field under this video. I took my supplies from my store, the Greenbird. You can go to your local bead store for supplies or to your stash, maybe you have anything that would be handy. I have Christmas themed pendants here, also some pearls in Christmas colors, some glass beads in snow color, some spacers. I have these pendants in two colors. Maybe you want to use silver tone, maybe you want to use this brass tone. It's all up to you. Also, I'm going to use these hoops. Actually, these are earrings findings, but I'm going to use them as a glass markers. So prepare all the supplies. Don't forget to like this video because this tutorial is awesome, and let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to open this loop on my earring finding. I'm going to do this like this with my tool. I'm going to open this loop. And now I'm going to string my beads here. There aren't any rules in which particular order you're going to string them. Actually, it's totally up to you. You're the designer, you decide how you want to do this. I'm just improvising. I started with the smallest beads and now I'm going to the biggest, the pearl. This is the 3mm pearl. Then I'm going to use the spacer bead, then maybe this green 4mm pearl. Okay. I think now it's time for another spacer. Then a pendant. I'm going to take this Christmas tree and a jump ring. I'm going to open one of these jump rings with my flat nose pliers. I need two tools for this, so I'm opening this. Then I put the Christmas tree onto it, and then I close the jump ring like this. Closed. And now I'm going to string this pendant also here, like this. And I'll string absolutely the same pattern from this side. So first goes spacer bead, then this green pearl, then spacer again, then red pearl. Okay, what's next? Several white and crystal clear beads here. Okay, I like what I've created. Now I'm going to bend this loop back again and we're almost finished. So I'm taking my round nose pliers, and with round nose pliers I'm going to make this loop again. I'm bringing it back to its place like this. Then I make a little turn. Okay, here. Perfect. I like what I've created. Actually, it really looks very nice and Christmas. Actually, this could be an earring also. You can wear this as an earring, but I'm going to use this as a glass marker. So the marker, I put it onto my glass. Then I close this and that's it. By the way, I know you noticed my beautiful ring. I've created this myself and I have a tutorial for this ring here. You can find it here, and you can also make this nice stylish ring for yourself. And now I'm going to make different style of these glass markers because I have to have many of these for my Christmas party. And while I'm doing this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials from us in the future. Okay, I finished with other designs. You can see what I've created here. By the way, I know you noticed my beautiful earring. I've made it myself and I have a tutorial for you. It's here, you can check it out here and create this earring for yourself. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you like these ideas. Don't forget to write something in the comments and like this video and subscribe to our channel. And come back next week for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.